Hello, in this video I will tell you about quality management system and the company behind this product. Hospitality CRM Solutions Private Limited in partnership with Differential Web Solutions has been improving customer experience for better outcome for the last 20 years in hospitality industry. It provides affordable state of the art software tools for better customer experience and online reputation management. Quality management system is trusted by top brands worldwide. We are passionate about what it will take our customers to better serve their guests, clients, and employees by creating the most meaningful experiences. We understand what skills and behaviors are essential to delivering exceptional customer service and develop engaging strategies to mobilize service initiatives, standards, and training that will lead to greater customer loyalty, referrals, reviews, and profitability. It helps in engaging unhappy customers before they go to any public platform and ruin the brand's image. It also helps clients to convert their unhappy and passive customers into promoters. It offers technology and research solutions with the objective to listen to your customers, speak to them, engage them, manage their experiences. Transactions translate into a long term relationship, ensuring they keep coming back, fostering loyalty and referrals. QMS also provides world-class corporate dashboard for multi-property chains, giving senior management granular insight into the operations of individual properties and the ability to take corrective actions quickly. QMS has been designed to satisfy not only the corporate need for information but also empower and motivate local unit management to ensure consistency of service delivery, differentiate themselves, enhance competitive advantage, do whatever it takes to deliver brand promise to the clients, comply with company's standard of excellence, boost occupancy rate RevPAR compared to ComSet. If I talk about benefits and features of QMS, so compared to other survey tools available worldwide, QMS is more user friendly. It is adjustable, means it is open for customization. It adjusts itself as per the need, and obviously it is cheaper than any other product available in the market. QMS is email, tab, and QR based system, and it provides real-time feedback, real-time notifications, and analytical reporting dashboard, guest segregation into promoters and detractors, know customers' experience and their preferences across chain before they come, maintain case history with each experience, secure customer retention, their word of mouth, loyalty, and referrals. This is real positive outcome experienced due to QMS. Within a year, guest satisfaction improved. Guests saying that they will not return back because of bad services declined. Proportion of returning guests increased. So this is real outcome after usage of QMS for at least 1 year's time. And these are our happy customers who are associated with us from last 15 to 20 years. Group like the Oberoi, Trident, Lalit, Fortune, Royal Orchid, Salover, and there are many more international brands who are associated with us. So these are our happy customers.